Welcome to the sixth video of our Customer Insights series. In this video, we'll take a look at the predefined machine learning models within the environment. These can help you figure out what customers have the highest lifetime value, who's likely to churn, or what products you should recommend to a certain customer. In this case, we will be predicting the lifetime value. Finding out the predicted lifetime value will help you find balance in terms of short-term and long-term marketing goals and help you find out what customers are most valuable for the business. We'll transform the prediction into a customer attribute as well, so we can see it within the customer profile. We have to do this as predictions don't show up automatically unless you specifically create a measure. Watch the previous video from the series to get more information on measures. Watch our introduction video to get a complete overview of what functionalities we're covering and what our end goal is for this series to help a fictional company called Contoso Coffee. Let's go to the Customer Insights environment in an incognito browser and open the Intelligence tab. You'll find the link to the environment in the description below. Let's click on Custom Models first. As you can see, it's possible to create machine learning models with Azure and add this to your Customer Insights environment afterwards. We have a quick introduction to automated machine learning in Azure Machine Learning Studio on this channel. You may watch this video if you're interested in learning more on this topic. The link to this video is in the description below. However, this video isn't part of the Customer Insights series, so we'll go on to predictions for now to use a pre-built machine learning model. Clicking on Predictions and then Create, you'll see a few different kinds of models. For example, you have Customer Churn Model, Product Recommendations, Customer Lifetime Value, and Customer Sentiment Analysis. We'll select Customer Lifetime Value. As you can see, you need the transaction history of a customer. Click on Get Started. Name this model Customer Lifetime Value and click on Next. We want to predict the customer value over the next year. The other settings will be as recommended. The required data in this case is sales order. Make sure to select both activities in the sales order tab. You'll have to have created these activities just as in our previous video. Now click on Next and save. Click on Next and you'll see we can skip this step. You could also use this part to add more data, which will give you better results by also looking at other customer interactions that may influence the lifetime value. Choose the data update schedule. In this case, it can be anything you like. Click on Next and review your model details. Save and run your prediction. This takes quite some time, so you can take a look around in the environment and check out all the functions within the environment. Once it's finished, you can hover over the prediction you just made and click on it. Here you can see that the model performs really well as it has a model score of A for excellent. You can learn more about the score by clicking on this link. You You can also see the average value of customers by percentile. So the customers with a low customer lifetime value have the following average, while the high level has this average. You can also see the most influential factors such as overall transaction value, days since the last transaction, and days since the first transaction. Let's add this value to our customer profiles by going to Measures and creating a measure called Predicted CLV. Select the average function and add attribute. Select the CLV score and add it to the calculation. Click on Run. Once the run is finished, it's time to see what we were working on this whole time. Go to Customers and look for Abby Moss. As you can see, the predicted customer lifetime value has been added to the profile. It might occur to you that the lifetime value is a higher value than the predicted lifetime value. This has to do with the fact that we're only predicting the lifetime value for the upcoming year. In the next video, we'll create some segments from customer attributes and measures to enable personalization. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions, or contact us via email if you're considering to use customer insights within your company.